Hi, my name is Randy Huggin. I'm manager at Meadows Farms in Manassas, and today I'm going to take you through a real quick walkthrough on how me and my wife Jean, who's also a manager at Meadows Farms in Massachusetts, built our raised beds at our house. There's many different ways that you can do this. We have a rather large area, so our raised beds are larger probably than most. First off, we already have some that we've obviously made. Basic construction on these, we double stacked 2 by 8 by 10s. They're very deep, especially for tomatoes and whatnot. We used L brackets on the end here to help hold them together with lag bolts, and that goes all the way around. And then we also have in the center here, we used another galvanized steel bar with lag bolts to help support the middle. Now, so the soil doesn't get away from you, and also for weed prevention, there is a weed barrier that we installed using just regular heavy-duty weed fabric. We installed it with staple gun. It's pretty easy. No fuss, no muss type thing. Walking back here, we have another bed that is more prepped, ready to go. We've already done the weed fabric, already done the lag bolts and whatnot. This one is not as high. We are going to be putting herbs exclusively in this one, so we're not double stacking it like we did down further. As far as soils go, the bed will primarily be made up of topsoil. Then we're going to be mixing in some organic material, leaf grow, got some peat moss, and then after we till all that in, we're going to, as we go, till in some vermiculite for more soil aeration. All these products can be purchased at any of our Meadows Farm stores, garden centers. I just want to put that out there. And I'm not going to show myself putting all these bags in, so we're going to take a little pause. I'm going to dump some of this in, and then we'll show you the finished product.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. I've added all my soil and amendments. I might have to add a little more depending on how this turns out when I start tilling this, but that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start tilling this in. We got the vermiculite on top. You want to make sure that gets worked into the soil, not to be spread into just one spot, because it does act as an aerator. This can take a little bit of time. Make sure you bust up any clumps. Switch to a hard rake. Shovels could work too, whatever your tool choice is. I think it might be enough. Maybe a little more. So this will settle with rain. Sometimes, a lot of times you have to come back and add a little bit. That's the gist of it. We do also carry a line of soils that are all organic, made by a company called Just Natural. They just came out recently with a excuse me, a raised bed soil specifically designed for this. If you don't want to go through the process of adding all the different soils, that might be a better option for you. This is very basic, but I hope you learned something today. And thank you very much, and always be sure to plant a little happy.